Alright, here we go. You can see this. It says here, pause, tap the subject on the app. I don't know why I need to when I'm using the beacon. So I go to, let's say I go to the motion track, press the button, nothing happens. As you can see, the drone just stays hovering there. So I switch over to this one. This is fixed tracking. Hit the button. Nothing happens. Hit the other one here. Nothing happens. And I'm going to steering mode. Okay, hit the steering mode. Oh yeah, now you'll notice this one works. There's drone. As it moves forward, you see? So the drone's responding to the steering. If I go left or right, and you can see it goes left or right. See? That's responding. Now, if I go back to, at least go back to the motion tracking, it should at least recognize me, right? So I'm going to hit this button again. Alright, let's walk. Let's see if it, see? Doesn't even follow me. Doesn't even know I'm in existence. Okay? It doesn't even move. So let's go with the what is this? The fixed tracking? Come on. Nothing. And then it's showing pause, tap subject on the app. Why? Why do I need the app to respond with this, or to work together with this? I never have to used to do that. So that's my issue here with this drone. After the update, it's really messed the whole thing up. With the remote controller, it seems to be fine, but with the beacon, it doesn't not even respond. It should respond at least something, you know. Well, again, it's only responding to the steering. Okay, when I press the steering, okay, as you watch the drone, it's coming forward. Yep. Go to my left. You see, it's responding. The beacon responds to the steering, but nothing else. So I have no idea why it never used to do this. Now it's doing it. So Skydio, I need to go fix this issue. Okay, let me try again. I'm gonna go hit this button at the bottom. Oh. Okay, let's go hit. I'm gonna try again. Here we are. Let's go again. Motion tracking. Just motion tracking. Come on, click, 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 click. Am I doing something wrong? What is it? So it should engage. Something should engage. All right? Should engage. Okay, this is the fixed tracking. Nothing. Okay, let's try orbit. Orbit. Again, it says pause, tap subject on the app. I never used to have that. I need the explanation from Skydio. What does it mean? Do I have to use the app, my phone, my phone along with this beacon? Nah. Okay, anyway, I'm landing it because I'm very frustrated and disappointed that after an update like this, now my drone can't even work with the beacon. All right.